People, today we're going to be making your one and only bitter leaf soup. Just the way the ancestors makes it. The undiluted, guys. If you are an Igbo, the eastern part of Nigeria, Anambra State to be precise, you understand the importance of ofe onugbo, bitter leaf soup. Today we're going to be making that, okay? Keep on watching. Here are our ingredients. Is dry fish, okay? And here we have momo, that is a cow skin. We have our stock fish. We have our crayfish. We'll be using some cow legs and some beef, enough of it. And here is the obonga bitter leaf. Bitter leaf has been washed, guys. Very clean. It's no longer bitter. And here we have our red oil. Red oil. We're not going to be skipping that. Very important. And here by the fire, I have the cocoyam. Cocoyam is cooking, very soon to be done. Okay, so these are the recipes that you need when you are making your bitter leaf soup. Sorry, I forgot to mention the ogiri. This is ogiri. Ogiri is very important. Actually, it's a very important ingredient. If not for ogiri, it's not going to taste like bitter leaf soup. Honestly, did I mention crayfish here? Crayfish is also part of it. And yeah, then put any pepper of your choice, either black pepper, fresh pepper. I'm going to be using some black pepper and fresh pepper. And let's get cooking, guys. The first thing first, we'll be picking our meat. I've washed this meat in a bowl. Have the cow leg too. Season your meat with only seasoning cubes. And oh, I don't like this. And some salt. That's all you need to season your meat. You can add some pepper if you like. Then cover it to boil. Then in another pot, we're going to be cooking momo. I love to do this separately, guys. Add only salt to it. Now that our meat is becoming tender, we're going to add our stock fish and the dry fish. We're going to be adding some water, enough to cook the soup now. Of course. Okay, so you cover the pot. Let the food cook, okay? Our cocoyam is done. I'll peel it off and blend it into a paste like this. So guys, it's time to add other ingredients. Some oil. Fish, our ogiri pepper. You can never do without this. I'm just going to melt it down. Make sure that it melts down. Then we'll start cooking in our blended cocoyam that will serve as thickener to this soup. When we're done, we're going to cover the pot and let it cook. Just give it like 10 minutes, then you check, okay? We're gonna turn it this way and has the soup to continue to melt. Before adding the onugbo leaf, I go ahead and add my pomo. Give it another stir. How do you like your bitter leaf? Do you like it extremely thick? Do you think this consistency is okay? I think it's fine. Look at that. So the next thing we're going to start adding now is our onugbo leaf. I think I might be needing some water here. Guys, our soup is done now. Look at that. No fair. You sabi cook. Forget that thing. This mama here, she can cook. Oh, look at that. Look at that now. Ofe onugbo is ready. What are you going to be eating this with? Let me know in the comment section down below. Enjoy it for me. Ofe onugbo. How for you? Guys, let's eat. Oh my God, this is so good. Very delicious. I still have my apron on. God of mercy. I just finished cooking now. No, I sabi cook.